Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a center tab stop on the ruler in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some paragraphs. Now we want to add a center tab stop on the ruler. Firstly, select some text. Then use the ruler, otherwise you can go to the paragraph settings option, then go to the tabs, then write 5, then click the center and click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we added ruler on the stop tab very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.